Now I wish to make a very important announcement today. A very, very categorical announcement. When the Aam Aadmi Party forms a government in Goa, when the Aam Aadmi Party wins the upcoming elections, the state elections of Goa, within 48 hours, we will ensure that every consumer who consumes up to 200 units of electricity pays no money for consumption. That is, his bill becomes zero. And every consumer who consumes electricity between 200 units up to 400 units, his bill will be reduced by 50%. That is, the bill will be halved. I am making a very, very important announcement today. And let me tell you, 73% of Goa's consumers, 73% of Goa's population consumes up to 200 units of electricity every month. That means 73% of Goans will get zero electricity bill when the Aam Aadmi Party government is formed in the next state election. And this decision will be taken within 48 hours of forming the government. I give you my word, I make a categorical promise to the people of Goa. 73% Goans consume up to 200 units of electricity. And another 20% Goans consume electricity between 200 units to 400 units. These 20% consumers of Goa, these 20% Goans who consume between 200 and 400 units will get their bills reduced by 50%. Their bills will be halved. That means 73% plus 20%. 93% is the sum. 93% of the people of Goa will benefit within 48 hours of the Aam Aadmi Party government in Goa, and this decision will be taken. I am making a very categorical promise, a categorical announcement before the people of Goa. If the BJP wants, they could have done this also. But what is lacking in the BJP is the political will to do so. If the Aam Aadmi Party can do this in Delhi, why can't the BJP government do it in Goa? When we formed government in Delhi, electricity prices were touching the roof, touching the skies. They were abnormally high, and power cuts of 8 to 12 hours a day was par for the course. That was a given. And now there are no power cuts in Delhi. There is uninterrupted supply 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. And if you have friends in Delhi and relatives in Delhi, do ask them how many of them now own either an inverter or a generator. Inverters and generators in Delhi have been consigned to history. Nobody uses them anymore because we get 24/7 power supply in Delhi. Now, I will share a very, very important statistic with you to explain to you how we can do it in Delhi and why BJP has failed to do this in Goa. In Delhi, the annual budget of the government is roughly 60,000 crores. And the population of Delhi is 2 crore people. 60,000 crores budget, 2 crore people, which comes to roughly rupees 30,000 spent per annum per person by the government. You divide 60,000 crores by 2 crore population, you will come to rupees 30,000 expenditure per person by the government. That is, the government of Delhi, the Kejriwal government in Delhi spends rupees 30,000 per person on each citizen of Delhi every year to give all these benefits and schemes. On the other hand, the annual budget of Goa for the state of Goa is 21,000 crores and the population of Goa is roughly 15 lakhs. You divide 21,000 crores by 15 lakhs, you come to a huge sum of rupees 1,40,000 crores. That is, in Delhi, the government spends about 30,000 rupees per person, and in Goa, the government allegedly spends rupees 1,40,000 rupees per person. If in 30,000 rupees we can give free electricity, free water, state-of-the-art schools, best hospitals in the country, why can't the Goa government, which spends 1,40,000 rupees per head, do all of this and several other things? Because there is
साडी शॉपिंग करपाक आता बेळगांव वचपाची गरज ना. पणजीतल्या बॉम्बे बाजारात तुमका दर्जेदार प्रकारच्या साड्यो खरेदी करपाक मेळटा. नवीन व्हंकलेक नववारी असो किंवा उत्तर भारतीय लेहंगा, सिल्क साडी किंवा कॉटन साडी, तुमची पसंत आणि आमचे कलेक्शन. साडी स्वतः खातीर खरेदी करा किंवा गिफ्ट करा. बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जेल रोड, पणजी.